Welcome to another video episode on my driving robot Discovery, based on the fischertechnik TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux and is programmed via online mode with Python. The robot has on front active sonar and 2 touch sensors, then an LED on the left front side, well, front right here actually, and a propeller that indicates whether the algorithm is running or not. First thing to start with, as always, is see if it boots, but the purpose is to have a trajectory from here to somewhere here. And by the way, this is a better idea, and often it goes that way or in circles, whatever. Anyway, that is all not programmed. Programmed is only that. And to find out why it goes astray, I have some synchronization stuff written in the software, and unfortunately that doesn't always make sense. So, first thing, can I make contact? For that I have to power it up using the battery, which should be fully loaded. Should be fully loaded. And this is, yes, making a big mistake here. So hopefully this works better. Yes. That wiring mistake I hardly ever do, so I'm glad it still works. Right now it has booted, and to make sure of everything I have to leave this interface and go to the standard interface, which is right here. And now I have to do a few things. Set the date, make contact. First thing is making contact. Which is fine. So now I can go to the software department and have a write. So let's see the software. And then there was a delay because my recording was not recorded from the first second, so I had to reboot my computer. Anyway, I am logged in still, which also means I still have to set the date, which is the American notation, which is strange to me, but so be it. And then the time, which is 15:28, and yes, that is 24-hour clock notation, which is used here. This is set correctly. By now it's 29, but I don't mind. Here I'm set, and I have to open source code. That's it. Next, because the robot is still powered on, this works as well. What is the battery voltage? 9 volts something, which is very nice. The motor will probably work. Yes, I said yes, but why doesn't this work? Okay, that's not good. Then the other one. Yep. Okay, one works, one goes faster than the other. Anyway, it's proven to work. Which is good. So I can. No. Away. I want to this. To avoid complications. Alright, so anyway, what I did last time, and I finished with that, I added this get current distance without a parameter, and that gave me some things to think about. So let's first look at the data from last time, and here it shows this, and then distance left shows the other one. Let me actually see. Print is yeah. It should be a little bit. This is the wrong one. Here I write things to the data file. So anyway, these two are different than what I read. From this, because every time with the data and the counter and the distance value, these should be very different. These, because one counts up, one counts down, and here exactly the same. They cannot or should not be the same. So what I realized is that I should put this into the data file as well, to make a good estimation. Well, not only good estimation, but also difference in value. But let's first see how it runs. That's more fun. So, go. Okay, never mind. Yep, never mind. That goes way wrong, as you can see. I put it here. Hind wheels straight. So the hind wheels were like this, and yeah, I realize you can't see that. So the hind wheels were more like this, and I put them straight. Is that a big difference? Well, yes, but what is the result? If it goes driving, then it should be put, then it should get straightened anyway. So I don't really know what the effect will be. And it's not driving backwards, so let's try again. Yep. Now it should turn. Very good. And stop. Oh, this is new. It is being taken with it. Never had that one before. That's a nice one. Yeah, very nice. Anyway, time to adjust the code a bit. In the meantime, I found something else. Here I'm using get current value, get current counter value 1 and 2, while when I look here I'm using 1 and 2. So does this use anything anyway? That's a big if. So let me look at how this is going. And alright, stop it. Stop it. And now I have to look at the start of this action, which is right here. So this is all the while, and then the first one is here. They're both 0, which in itself is not strange. This is not this is not strange that it is 0, but it doesn't give an error. And that's most important. And here they are still 0 while it drives, and that is strange. This one is 2, this one is 0. So I think I should change these. To 0 and 1 respectively. Apart from that, last time I was doing with get current counter value without the arguments, and that was not here. That was way back. Right, let me see again. Data. While counter 0, 0, motor rechts. That is inside here somewhere. And that's where with Coda that starts getting longer and longer and longer because you want to check so many things. So let me find out where that is. Which is right here at the very beginning. Yep, and here I have it without any value, which gives 4 zeros. And the question is which is which. And then this one gives just 1 0, which is not strange by the way, because I'm here at the very end at the very beginning of the whole procedure. Although another thing is it says while, so this is being repeated and repeated and repeated. Another thing is, how do I know that this is actually the right side motor? I don't, because there's no argument in here. So I just assume it is. Let me find the same string again. That's one. Not found. So right. Now a strategy to get things straight. So so this is being repeated repeatedly. Sounds strange, but it is. And here the point of course that this is being printed to screen only. So for all the other things it doesn't matter. And this is current distance, this is current counter value. And I really should change things. I should diminish the print output and increase the data log output. I think that is best. But where to start? Good question. Alright, time for a new test. Let's first check the battery voltage. Always nice. 8.6. Okay, should be sufficient. What I changed now is that I have put this to the data log file right here, and I added the same thing but without value, without argument. So this would give again 4 things, and it is later after a write which occurs here. So I will have here some 4 values, and I will have here some 4 values, and here. So once again save. Let me put the robot in a nice place. Right there. Hind wheels again in a nice place. And hopefully it works. Go. Syntax. Oh, right. That is line 130. Right, I forgot to remove one here, and I forgot to remove one here. Now I can go. Yeah, there I'm going. Please touch. Yeah, thank you. Now it should turn. Yes, very nice. Whatever it's doing now, I do not exactly know, but okay, end. Anyway, 8.4. Anyway, that's not really important. What is important is the data file. So starting with 4 zeros, which is, yeah, here is with 4 zeros, that is this one. That is not the while counter. So I have now to say counter double underscore. That one. See, that is 101. Okay, next. Next. Really? One, two, and that is double zero again, and here you get very rather high values. So in other words, this does count up. And if I scroll through, how much do I have left? Oh, that is quite a bit, to be honest. But then why is this one 4 zeros? That is not what I expect. But this proves my point that there's something weird going on. Yeah, definitely. And in order to get a better grip, this is current distance. Let me ignore that for now. And where do I write it? Do I write it anyway? This is only the counter SA1. And I do not see that I write it to file anywhere, but I need to. On the other hand, this is this is the very first if all contacts are 0 and the count and the sonar is nice. So why only this one? Oh, because I am subtracting it. Then it is nice to also get the other value, just for comparison. Because now I am getting really curious. Copy this line to here. Make this one double underscore. Remove the 0. And copy 3 lines. Put them here. And yes. Counter as a 1. Which is then of course the same thing, so copy word. No. What am I doing here? Oh, come on. Okay, this is not going well. Copy word. That's better. Way better. And new line. Okay. This is good. I should encounter this at least once. So, let's go again. And time runs very fast. So, little time left. And with this result, I do say goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you like this video with much ahead to come, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. And in the meantime, I read that things in development corner are with respect to the firmware are not all too positive. Anyway, leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support and appreciation by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. Everything, including the URL of my website, is listed under this video. And this is going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.